So this is Allie now. She is almost 5 months. Next week she will be. Yay! Anyways, so here she is. Say hi, Allie. She's got her name right there, Allie. She's got a bell on her collar. Can't hear it. Move your fur out of the way. How annoying. She's cute and cuddly, and look how big she's gotten. She's big. I can't barely hold her in my arms. Here, just look at her. She is. Come here. See how big she is. Goodness gracious. Ay, mía. Okay, so now we're gonna do some tricks that she knows. Allie? Allie. Okay, Allie, look at me. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Oh, good girl. I can't do roll over. We're close to the edge of the bed. Alright. Alley-oop. Good girl. Sit. People see your tricks. Ready? Got an itch. Gotta pause. Pausing for the itch. You have people watching you. Okay, hey. Maybe we'll stop this if she doesn't stop itching like within the next 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, all done. Oh, there we go, good girl, good girl. Okay, come here. Come here. Stand up. Can you sit up? Sit. Shake. Shake. Good girl. Shake. Other paw. Good girl. Right. No, you lazy butt. I have one more trick. See how cute she is. Maybe we'll show our tricks later. We'll do a whole trick video. Okay, bye. Say bye.